Physical and chemical changes. In our day-to-day lives, we observe different types of changes in our surroundings. By observation, we can tell some of the changes are very simple and are of temporary nature, and some changes are really complex and are of permanent nature. In this image, you can see different changes are shown. In first image, a ripened fruit is shown. Ripened fruit has certain taste and it emits certain aroma. In second image, iron particles are removed from sand with the help of a magnet. In third image, a bud is blooming into flower. In fourth image, ice is converted into water. So how to define these changes? Let's discuss the fourth example in detail. When ice kept in a tumbler is exposed to the atmosphere, it melts and is converted into water. Now ice is melting and it is converted into water because of the heat present in the surrounding atmosphere. When the tumbler containing this water is kept in a freezer, it is converted again into ice. By observation, we can tell this is a temporary change and the substance comes to its original form. Here in some of these examples, the properties of the original substances remain the same. That is, their composition remains unchanged. No new substance is formed. Such a change is called as physical change. For physical change, here two things are mentioned. First is original substances remain the same. That is, their composition remains unchanged. Second thing is no new substance is formed. If you observe the second, third and fourth example, here no new substance is formed and the substances remain the same, that is their composition remains unchanged. So these three examples are of physical change. Now let's discuss the chemical change. First example is milk once converted into curd cannot be converted into milk again. Second example is ripening of fruits. Third example is rusting of iron. What is rusting? We have discussed it in detail in previous lecture. So the change due to which one substance is transformed into another substance having new and different properties is called a chemical change. The chemical changes are of permanent nature. For chemical change, here two things are mentioned. New substance is formed and the new substance has different properties than the original one. So in first example, you can see new substance curd is formed and it has different properties than that of milk. In second example, ripening of fruits, ripened fruit has different properties than that of the raw fruit. So these examples are of chemical change. For rusting of iron, here chemical reaction is represented. When iron reacts with oxygen and water vapor from the air, it forms rust. Chemical formula for rust is iron oxide, that is Fe2O3. So both physical and chemical changes are integral part of our daily life. This is all about physical and chemical changes.